Good morning, everybody. In the previous day, I have already discussed about verbs, chapter 8, and today I start exercises. Now I start exercise A. Exercise A, you follow your books. Circle the verbs in each sentence. Circle first exercise A, page 56-57. You follow your book. Circle the verbs in each sentence. We filled our mouths with jam, tarts and licked ice cream cones. That is verbs. Filled, liked, licked. 2. I read the question and wrote the answer. Read and wrote. Verb. 3. The farmer dug his field and sowed his seeds. Dug and sowed. Verb. 4. The children smiled at the teacher who distributed sweet. Smiled, distributed. Verb. 5. Houses fell and trees were uprooted during the storm. Fell, uprooted. Verb. 6. Can you draw a scenery and paint it with pretty colors? Draw, paint. Verb. 7. Tenali Raman caught the thief red-handed and the police took him away. Caught and took. These are verbs. Okay. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the word box. You follow the word box which words are in your word box. That is, first of all, I dash when my friend won the match. I cheered. I cheered when my friend won the match. 2. I slipped and fell, so I howled in pain. Howled. Blank me. I slipped and fell, so I howled in pain. 3. The teacher gave us a free period, so we dashed in delight. So we squealed in delight. 4. My friend cracked a joke, so I giggled. 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 5. I could not find my wallet, although I dashed a lot. I searched a lot. 6. I let my kite go up and it soared in the sky. Soared. 7. The angry lion roared. Roared. Blank me, roared. 8. My hungry stomach dashed for food. Growled for food. 9. I dashed out to call my sister. Shouted out to call my sister. 10. The dog dashed at the stranger. Snarled. The dog snarled at the stranger. Okay. This is the question number B. Fill in the blanks. C. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are, is, are, am, was or were. Number 1. The family dash tired, so they stopped at the inn yesterday. Yesterday, so were. The family were tired, so they stopped at the inn yesterday. 2. The weather dash dull today is. Today, so is. We dash good friends. We are good friends. I dash the school captain. Am. I am the school captain. Sam and Jenny dash called to the office last week. Where? Sam and Jenny were called to the office last week. Okay. So this is the exercise A, B, C. Now I repeat A, B, C. Exercise A. Circle the verbs in each sentence. We filled our mouths with jam, tarts and licked ice cream. Filled, licked. Verb. 2 number. I read the question and wrote the answer. Read and wrote. Verb. 3. The farmer dug his field and sowed the seeds. Dug and sowed. 4. The children dashed at the teacher who distributed sweets. The children smiled at the teacher who distributed. So, smiled and distributed are verbs. Houses fell and trees were uprooted during the storm. Fell, uprooted, verb. 6. Can you draw a scenery and paint it with pretty color? Draw, paint, verbs. Tenali Raman caught the thief red-handed and the police took him away. Caught, took, verbs. B. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the word box. 1. I dashed when my friend won the match. I cheered. 2. I slipped and fell, so I dashed in pain, howled. 3. The teacher gave us a free period, so we dash in delight, squealed. My friend cracked a joke, so I giggled. 5. I could not find my wallet, although I dashed a lot, I searched. 6. I let my kite go up and it soared in the sky, soared. 7. The angry lion dash, roared. 8. My hungry stomach dash for food, growled. 9. I dash out to call my sister, shouted. 10. The dog dash at the stranger, snarled. Okay. C. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are, was, were. 1. The family tired, so they stopped at the Iniesta day, so were. The family were tired. 2. The weather dash dull today, so is. We dash good friends, we are. I dash the school captain, am. Sham and Jenny dash called to the office last week, were. Okay. Now come to the page 58 and 59, exercise A. Write T for transitive and I for intransitive for each verb in these sentences. The transitive verb, which verb has object, intransitive verb, which verb has no object. So 1. The weightlifter picked up the car. Car object, so picked up, transitive. The girl held her bag tightly, bag, transitive, held. We slept for 1 hour, intransitive. Okay. The sun sets in the west, intransitive. I wake, complement, it is not object. I wake up at 8 a.m. so intransitive. Janice is eating an apple, transitive. An apple object. Many people were injured, so injured object, not complement, so no object, so complement. I, intransitive. I can type very fast, intransitive. Finish eating all the food in your plate, transitive. But you finish eating all the food in your plate, eating all the food, this is object, so finish, transitive. My box contains toys and books object, so transitive. The cat mewed loudly, mute, intransitive, no object. The girls are there, no object, so intransitive. Again I repeat, transitive and intransitive. The weightlifter picked up the car, picked up, transitive. The girl held her bag tightly, held, transitive. The slept, we slept for 1 hour, slept, intransitive. The sun sets in the west, intransitive. I wake up at 8 a.m., intransitive. Janice is eating an apple, transitive. Many people were injured, intransitive. I can type very fast, intransitive. Finish eating all the food in your plate, transitive. My box contains toys and books, transitive. The cat mewed loudly, intransitive. The girls are there, intransitive. Okay. Now exercise B. Underline the object of the transitive verb in this sentence. The boys climbed up the tree, not object. Saira found a coin on the road, a coin object, so underline. Benny lives in a tree house, not object. Don't cross the road, object, the road, underline. I have thrown a party for all of you, a party, underlined, object. Let's discuss your plans, object. I received your letter in the evening, object, underline. I am going to send her some gifts, object, so underline. Send her also object. So I am going to send her some gifts, so her some gifts, these are objects. The boy is flying his kite, the kite. The explosion sank the ship, the ship. C. Circle the verb in incomplete predication and underline the complement in each of the following sentences. The rose smells sweet. Verb, incomplete predication, sweet, complement. This is your book, is predication. Circle the verb আর your book হচ্ছে complement. My mother cooks very well. Cooks underline the incomplete very well. Cooks হচ্ছে incomplete verb of incomplete predication. The baby looks surprised. Looks incomplete verbs of incomplete predication. Surprised, complement. My aunt found a wallet. Found হচ্ছে complement. A wallet, complement. Found হচ্ছে incomplete predication. Verb of incomplete predication. A wallet হচ্ছে complement. Honey tastes sweet. Taste হচ্ছে verb of incomplete predication. Sweet হচ্ছে complement. This is the subject. Exercise B, page 61. Choose the correct past tense from the verb from the bracket and fill in the blanks. Julie dash a song to welcome the chief guest. Sing, signed, sang, sing. Sing, sang, sing, sang. Julie sang a song to welcome the chief guest. The teacher dash us adjectives yesterday. The teacher taught, teach, taught. What is adjectives yesterday? The baby dash all night. The baby cried. The flowers dash after the rain. The flowers grew after the rain. The water in the lake froze. Froze. The water in the lake froze. I dash the milk in the morning. I drank the milk in the morning. My father dash a dozen bananas from the market. Bought. He stood and took a deep breath. He stood and took a deep breath. Stood. A worksheet, exercise page 61 given in class as homework. Do homework exercise A, page 61. Now, so, in the previous day I have already discussed about verbs and kinds of verbs. Today I discussed and give you the question answer, that is exercise A, page number 56 and 57, and ABC, and page number 58, 59 exercise A and B and C, and page number 61 exercise B, and I give some homework also, a worksheet exercise A page 61 given in class as homework, and exercise A page 61 homework. And so in this way I complete chapter 8. Next day I start chapter 9. Okay, thank you.